What's up, YouTube? Your Vapes and CBD back to you with another review. All my reviews are done on my own accord. I'm not sponsored or anything by any company, and all these are subjective. These are all my own opinions, and yeah. So that's where we're at. Anybody that's been following me, kind of already knows the rundown. But yeah, today we're gonna be checking out the Jackaroo Kit. It's a new kit. It ain't been out too long, maybe a few months or so, if I ain't mistaken. At least that's when I got it. So, but yeah, really nice kit. And I've been using this for that long, so I could actually give a really good, honest opinion about this now. So, one thing about this mod, it's a single battery mod. It does 21,700 batteries. It could also take 2700s, which I have in here now, and an 18650. There's an adapter that comes with it. This is the stock tank that originally came on it. Really love this tank. Works great. I've been getting anywhere from 2 weeks to a month out of one coil. And again, it all depends on how much you vape. So that could be subjective. It's a drop-proof, shock-proof, dust-proof mod. My battery's kind of low because I've been using it since yesterday. But yeah, that's where we're at right now. I'm at 65 watts. My battery's at 23% right now. The juice I'm vaping on is the man. Awesome juice. I've been vaping on this one now for about 8 months off and on. It's one of my favorites. So we're gonna go ahead and fill her up with that. This is I want to say it's a half turn in order to take the top off to fill it. It feels more than a quarter turn. I know that. So I'll say it's about a half turn, if that's even a term. But I got a vape band to protect my glass, as I have broken a few glass, and the bands do work, in my opinion. I've dropped it from maybe 2-3 foot drop, and it fell flat on the glass, and the glass didn't break thanks to the vape band. So right now we're at 65 watts. I'm only at 23%, so I might not get the full battery power that I should, but let's give her a vape and see what happens. Tasty. One of the best sub-ohm tanks I've had yet, man. Ooh, that flavor on this one, woo! The Free Max Mesh Pro was one of my favorite tanks, still is. But this one here, if not neck and neck, might be a little better. And it's because the coils last for a long time, and that flavor is just phenomenal. It all depends on what juice you use. You gotta use good juice. When you get you a good setup, use good juice. Don't be getting bad juice and blaming it on the setup. It's not the setup. It's that juice. Switch your juice out, and you'll find out you got a better setup. You know what I mean? But yeah, I got the green one that kind of has like this purple resin in it also, and man, I like it. The settings, you probably want to know how that works. If you hold these two buttons down together right here, it'll take you into your settings menu when you hold the positive and negative buttons together. So you hit the fire button to select it, and you could just toggle through these settings. So this is voltage. You press the fire button to go to the next one. Temperature control. Now you can push the positive and negative if you want to activate or deactivate that. You see how, okay, right now it's lit up and now it's not. You see on that little bar indicates if you got that activated or not. So you can take certain settings off of your mod in order to just not have so much to toggle through. But yeah, so you got temperature control, you got bypass mode. which is BP. And then you got this C. This C actually stands for color. You could change the color of your display. It's pretty nice. It's pretty freaking nice. Shout out Vandy Vape. That's who made this mod. This is a product of Vandy Vape. It's a pretty nice freaking product. All right. AIR. To be honest, I don't know what that means, so I'm not even gonna act like I do. And FIR, I would assume that stands for firmware. And then reset your puff counts if you want to. As you can see, I have not reset my puff count. So right now I'm at 4,850, which shows how long I've been using this mod, and it's been holding up really well. It hasn't been giving me any problems. Battery life I get on this thing, I get anywhere from a full day to a day and a half-ish. And that's when I'm using it all day. And all day I'm saying starting from like 9 o'clock in the morning, because that's normally around the time I start vaping. So, yeah. Let's give her another vape. Tasty, tasty, tasty. And as you can see, 65 watts, that thing checks clouds. This thing is a cloud, you know. I'm not going to use terms because I can't say cloud chaser, because this device is not a cloud chaser. So I don't want people to get it mistaken like, oh, that's by cloud chaser. No. But it does chuck good clouds. I'm going to just say that. I don't get no leaks, if that's also something you may want to know. I haven't got no leaks since I had this mod. As long as everything's put together right. I've been vaping for, you know, a decent amount of time, and I have enough devices where I know how to tighten things down. If I have any leaking problems, I know how to change out the O-rings and things like that. And that's something you have to get familiar with as a vapor. You know, if you really want to dive deep down into vaping and really want to get things on your own, you know, search a YouTube video and try to figure out how to work your device and things like that, so that you're not always taking it up to a vape shop saying, here, can you do this for me, and never learning how to do it yourself. So, little tip, you know, little 411. But shout out to all my subscribers. Thank y'all for engaging in the comments and, you know, giving good feedback and all this stuff on the videos. It motivates me to make more and upload more. I do got more videos coming to you, so you gotta stay tuned with me because we got more coming up. But yeah, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Like, share, and follow. I'm gonna keep the videos coming, and y'all just keep on coming. Until then, your vapes and CBD about to get up out of here.